Shut up.
The National Weather Service in Pueblo has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Latino County in southeastern Colorado, northwestern Los Animas County in southeastern Colorado until 5:45 p.m. At 4:57 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Aguilar, or 20 miles northwest of Trinidad, moving east at 25 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and half-dollar-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Aguilar around 5:10 p.m. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.